I'm Dr. Lucy Gildea, Chief Scientific Officer for Mary Kay. I was recently invited behind the scenes of our photo shoot for the new TimeWise 3D Foundation launch. It was so exciting to get to speak with real women about the latest Mary Kay innovations inspired by you.
There's something about feeling like makeup doesn't have to be a chore,
Yes.
and feeling beautiful doesn't have to be hard. I feel like I look like me and I feel like me, and I couldn't ask for anything more than that.
I want a foundation that's going to stay with me all day long, from morning till evening.
Well, that's great to hear because our goal was to create a foundation for the everyday woman, for it to keep up with a woman while she's on the go.
All right.
We're all busy, right?
Go ahead.
Do you find it hard typically to find the right skin tone?
Yes, I have to mix a corrector with the foundation to really find the even tone, yes.
So what we've created with this new TimeWise 3D Foundation is we used our exclusive IntelliMatch technology. We scanned the faces of women from around the world to get the most accurate and true skin tones. Do you use the matte or the luminous formula?
Matte, definitely matte for me.
So in the matte formula, we included special microspheres in the matte formulas to act like a sponge and absorb the oil.
I definitely appreciate that.
I love the luminous. It just brings out this radiance that I've never seen before.
So in the luminous formula, we included light-reflecting pigments as well as jojoba to give you that lasting, comfortable wear.
Wow.
And we've also included in each foundation our exclusive patent-pending age-minimized 3D complex. Now, this
that.
skin-loving complex contains encapsulated resveratrol, dual-benefit vitamin B3, and an age-defying peptide to give you those skin benefits that you'll love. All of you look beautiful, and at Mary Kay, every innovation is inspired by you. We strive to make sure every product is made the best it can be because you deserve the best performance, products, ingredients, and formulas to make you feel confident and beautiful.